Yo, let's get straight into the video. So finally my PS5 arrived. The only reason I'm doing this video is to show you guys that I actually got the PS5. My method actually works, as you can physically see. It's here. Big shout out to, I'm not good at pronouncing names, Giselle Jizzy, I think that's how you pronounce it. I'll put her tweet on the video on screen right now. She also got her PS5 using my method. Link down in the description. So if you guys want to know how to get the PS5, I made a whole separate video which will be in the description how to get the PS5. As you guys can see, physical proof right here. If you guys want to be featured in my videos, make sure to either tweet at me, my Twitter is on the description as well, or comment down below that you got your PS5 and how you got it, and I'll feature you guys on my future videos. So yeah, I'm not gonna stop just because I got this PS5. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep showing you guys restocks and also more techniques and methods on how to get the PS5. But the best method right now is down in the description, so make sure you guys click it. And yeah, here's a good proof. Here's my PS5 unboxing real quick. There it is, the beautiful binder. It's like, nah, but here's the PS5. It's an easy unboxing. It only comes with a couple of things and the beautiful ass controller that I've been waiting for. So yeah guys, it's a really quick video. Well, not quick video, but quick unboxing. It's not really much to unboxing, it's just PS5 itself. Can't wait to start gaming on this, and I'm gonna be back streaming. Like I said, Twitch down in the description. Yeah guys. Alright guys, let's get right into everything is sold out. So supposedly, Sony CEO, as you can read the tweet, said they're absolutely sold out in PS5s on Sony Direct. So what this means is obviously that most likely Sony Direct will not be going up this week, or maybe for a few weeks, because supposedly they're dry, which is crazy to believe that they got no more PS5s. There's a rumor going on Twitter that they're just saying that they're dry out of PS5 just to get stacked up for Black Friday and to go all out on Black Friday, which is highly unlikely, but there's always a slim chance. That's a rumor that's going on Twitter. So yeah guys, you guys got to keep looking out for other restocks like Best Buy, Kohl's, and GameStop, Costco too. Costco's asleep, like I'll be telling you guys, and etc. Because supposedly, if this is true, so there will be no more Sony Direct for this week and possibly next week. Alright, so let's get into the restock. So there's also rumors as well on Twitter that the PS5 might restock again on Best Buy. So what you guys want to do is keep a lookout. Have this up all day whenever you're doing your homework, playing your game, and etc. at work or whatever. Try to have this on your phone, on your computer, because there might be a chance that the PlayStation 5 might restock again in Best Buy today. That's the rumor that's going on Twitter. And yeah, this is a short video. Hopefully you guys get your PS5s. And yeah, man, good luck.